So now let's see how we can use the clear formatting option inside of Google Sheets. So in order to use the clear formatting option, I'm just going to copy out this data right here because I do not want to remove the formatting of the original table. So I'm just going to paste it out right here and then rearrange out everything. I'm just going to double click right here so that it rearranges itself. So now I want to remove the formatting and get the default formatting of this Google Sheet for this table right here. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to go around into, let's say for example, on my menu for format, and then I'm going to click on clear formatting. So once you do that, you can see that all the formattings are removed out and then the default font and everything is arranged out over here. So whatever you apply over here, it'll be removed out. You can also do the same for this one. So let's select all, go to format right here, clear formatting, and you can see that all the formatting gets removed out. But I do not want to remove the format for that one. So let me just press undo for that one right there. And for this one, you can add your own formatting as per what you like. You can go around over here and so forth and then arrange it according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with clear formatting option inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.